Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add another admin to your team on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the feed button down below that can be found in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on add another admin, which is the third option. Here you can type in the name of that person, the first name and the last name, then their phone number, email address, and here you can decide whether you would like to send an invitation or an invite message to this admin to be person. If you have completed these requirements and filled in these forms, click on the add admin button and then the invitation will be sent. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.